Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to add 100 cells in Google Sheets. Let's begin. In Google Sheets, there is no direct option to insert 100 cells at once, but you can insert multiple rows or columns at the same time by selecting them together. Let's begin. First of all, show at some 100 cells, or then secondly insert 100 cells. Okay, 100 to sum enter and select the B2 and example is 100 cells name, example C2. Sorry, C2. Press enter and insert cells. Select single selection or multiple selection, then right click, insert 4 rows above, insert 4 rows below, and use column. Right click, insert column left, insert column, or use select the column, hold shift right arrow key, hold shift, hold right arrow key, then right click on your mouse, insert 21 column right side. Okay, and edit rows, select the row, hold shift down arrow key, hold, then or select the number type, right click. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment.